Hello, hello. If you are receiving this, it's because I have sent you a cup catch-up plan for the rest of the school year. So I decided to, included with the cup, to include this calculator I created for you in Excel. You will need to open the attachment that I gave you. Now this is not yours. This is a demo I created, and I just wanted to show you that on the left will be your assignments, not these. It might look different. All the possible amount of points you can get with that assignment. And without that assignment, those assignments being completed, and I've only included assignments that you have already, that you have not completed, okay? So anything that you got poor grades on, I didn't include, but it is included in your grade. Again, this is just a demo. But what you can do is, I have a lot of students who ask, well, what would my grade be if I completed this? Well, it depends upon what grade you got. So I created this, and you can go in and look at an assignment you want to complete. Let's say this one, and the maximum number of you can put in there is the maximum number that possible. So let's say if you're planning on getting an A on that assignment, see how it changed your percentage. But I mean, you can go in there and just put in random. Now you can put higher, but that's the higher, then it'll give you a false number. Okay, so you only put the maximum that's in this one particular column here, because that's the most you can get. Your gradebook's not going to give you any higher, and it's going to be lying to you then. And so as you go along, let's say you're going to you put in the amount that you need to get, amount of points for each assignment, and that will upload your grade and show you how it changes. So what I will have down here at the bottom are the assignments that have not had zeros entered yet. Your grade changes when I put zeros in it. It will drop it, okay? And so as you can see, the grade drops down here. This is if I were to put zeros in this assignment this Sunday, that's what the grade would drop to if there was nothing else was completed up here. And so as we progress through the school year, and once we get to I believe it's the 11th, we will put all zeros in, and that's the way it would reflect, as you can see. So, but again, as you complete these assignments that have the green, it will update your grade. And so let's say you don't even want to complete any of these assignments. Let's say all of these are yours, but you do want to get a good grade on the final exam. You're hoping, let's say you do your 50-point growth, okay? And so that picks your grade up. And you don't want to touch anything else or do anything else, but you want to see, what if I get an A on the final? Do I need to get anything else done? And so there is a perfect score for this demo on that part of the final. And so the second part of the final, so as you can see for this demo, if this was yours or whoever has this, would not pass just by skipping all the other assignments and going straight for the final. So you would have to make sure and get more assignments completed with good grades on it. Now then, also over here, I will put little notes on particular assignments, something else, things that I've sent to you through email maybe I'd put there. More than likely you won't see this column. That's my calculator, my formula column for all these formulas here, okay? And so everything in blue that you just enter into. So let me know if you have any questions or if you need help. So that way we can get you all caught up. Okay, Have a good day. Bye-bye.